Hi Year 9s. In this video we're looking at solving inequalities. So you've got to, or hopefully you're thinking to yourself, well, what is an inequality? Well, an inequality is just like an equation, like this thing here, but the major difference is instead of equals, we've got the sign here. And you might think, well, does that change everything completely? In fact, it changes very little. You can solve it just like an equation. So I'll start by copying out the question. 2x plus 1 is greater, plus 1 is greater than or equal to 5. Okay, and remember the hungry alligator always wants to eat the biggest meal, so it means that this side here is bigger than 5. And so if we're solving for x, we're going to treat this in a similar way to the equals, and so let's see how we get on. So I'll start by subtracting 1 from both sides, and so they cancel out, and we have 2x is greater than or equal to 4, and then we will divide both sides by 2, and so we're left with x is greater than or equal to 2. Now it says show the solution on a number line, so let's draw out a line. So that's not what I wanted to draw, let's try that again. Here we go. Here's our line, and we'll show, whoops, that's gone again. Let's draw that out. So there we go, there's my line, and now it won't come off the eraser. There we go. Okay, so we'll say that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, and then going the other way, -1, we won't go -2. So drawing it on the line, if that x is greater than or equal to 2, then I would put a dot at 2 and shade in everything that is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, and then show an arrow that shows it goes on forever. So that's what they mean. Okay, now just a few little pointers, although you may not need to worry about it here. But the only time that our sign swaps around is when we times or divide by a negative number with some of our working. So I don't think that will affect you guys, but do get in the habit of showing your answer as on a number line, and I should really label that as x as well. So there's some problems there for you underneath to have a go at, and I think you'll find those pretty straightforward.